Begin by disconnecting power. Discharge the capacitor using a plastic-handled screwdriver with a bare metal shaft. Never touch the metal shaft on the screwdriver when discharging a capacitor. Holding only the plastic handle of the screwdriver, touch the metal shaft of the screwdriver to the terminals of the capacitor. If necessary, 2 screwdrivers may be used as shown, making sure to create a complete conductive connection through the screwdrivers between the terminals. You may or may not see a spark as the stored energy releases. Never touch the terminals of the capacitor before discharging it. There is a risk of electric shock. Next, disconnect the wires to the capacitor. Plug the meter leads in. Set the meter to read capacitance. Touch the probe tips to the terminals of the component and hold them there a few seconds until the reading is displayed. The meter may take a few seconds longer to read capacitance than other functions because of the way it takes the measurement.